Good day, sir. Today I will demonstrate the Canon PowerShot F495 digital camera. This is a compact and easy to use camera that is great for beginners and for taking everyday pictures. So, the Canon PowerShot F495 is the 10 megapixel digital camera with a 3.3 optical zoom lens. It can take clear photos and short videos. It's small, lightweight, and easy to carry everywhere. So first, basic and important parts of the camera. First is the lens. Lens captures the image you are taking. And second, the flash. Flash provides extra light in dark places. Third is the power button. Turns the camera on and off. And fourth is shutter button used to take a photo. Fifth is zoom lever. Zoom lever is used to zoom in or out on the objects. Six is mode dial. Mode dial allows you to select different shooting modes like auto or scene. 7. LCD screen. Displays the pictures and menus for camera settings. And 8 is playback button. Let's view or delete taken photos. 9 is battery and memory card. Stores powers. The battery and the memory card is inside the camera. It stores power and saves your photos and videos. Lastly is the tripod mount. The screw hole at the bottom of attaching the camera to a tripod. This is how I demonstrate and the stepping of how to use camera. First is turn on the camera using the power button here. Second is look at the screen, LCD screen to see your subject. Third is use the zoom lever to zoom in or out. Fourth is press the shutter button halfway to focus, then press fully to take a photo. Fifth is to review your photos. Press and playback button. 6 is you can change shooting modes using mode dial. 7 is when you finish, turn off the camera to save battery. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of this camera? Simple, and the disadvantages of this camera is simple and user friendly. Small and lightweight, good photo quality for casual use, uses regular AA batteries for easy to replace, and lastly has different automatic shooting modes. So the disadvantages of this camera is limited zoom range. It only had 3.3 and no HD video recording. Slower operation compared to newer cameras. No viewfinder, only screen. So the conclusion, the Canon PowerShot F495 is a great beginner camera. It has all the basic parts needed to take good photos easily. Even though it is an older camera model, it remains a reliable and simple digital camera for everyday photography. Thanks for listening.
Wala ko na mga video.